I know that you hate me. Now my life is sweet like cinnamon.
Hi Ash. So we're going to have a talk here. Now, what do you think of the economic growth and instability of this country? How do you feel being in Jesus Christ. Ash! What the fuck? Ash! Wow. Okay.
I know say wetin the parrot go dey think for a man now. Come, no put me for talk this girl. Which kind of question you dey ask her? You no get lawyer, so how na I go take do am? So the parrot just jejely waka comot. I sure say this parrot dey go get class. I